So we have another thing on SAF creatine. So tell me your question.
I listen that creatine will improve the stamina, my power. Is it true?
Okay. So stamina and power are two very, very different things. Okay. Power is linked to your maximum strength.
Right.
Okay. Maximum strength has nothing to do with endurance. Stamina is endurance.
Right.
So how long you can do, how long you can run, has nothing to do with that. Power and muscle building, yes, creatine does that. You take it from external source, creatine will actually not build muscle. That's a wrong misunderstanding and in people's head. What it will do, it will hold water between the muscle tissue. So therefore your muscle will look bigger under the skin and more defined. The moment you stop taking creatine, the muscles will come down naturally because the water comes out. And what is the side effect of taking creatine? Your muscles, right? You get bigger, your body gets bigger, therefore the muscle is less flexible. So less flexible means more injury. So if you do other activities, you can pull muscle very easily and break muscle and tear muscles. Make sense?
I have a question.
Stop.
Speed also